The next thing that we'll be studying is these string functions. Now these are the 7 string functions that we are going to study. First is character length. Now from the word itself we get to know that we'll calculate the length of the character. So suppose select char character underscore length. Select char underscore length and then we'll have to give a string. Suppose I'll give it as MBBI. So it should return the length is 4. So it should return 4. See, 4 is returned. So select character length MBBI of MBBI. So the answer will be 4. Next is concat. Concat means to combine. If I give 3 to 4 words and I want to combine it, so I'll write select then concat 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 suppose MBBI, then I want a space, so here only I'll give space, comma CBSE, then space, comma wave G, and then close the bracket, semicolon. MBBI, CBSE, wave G. I want this to be written together. So I'll use select, concat, MBBI space, then CBSE, then space, and then wave G. So the output will be MBBI, CBSE, wave G with space in between because I have left space over here. If you don't leave space over here, it will all be printed together. Now the next thing that we are going to study is lowercase and uppercase. By the name itself, you understand that is L case or else lower, U case or else upper, lowercase or else upper case. Now suppose I want to bring it to lowercase, so I'll use LCASE. Select L case MBBI. That means MBBI should be printed in small. See, MBBI. It could also be written as select lower. LOWER. You can also write select lower MBBI. It will give you the same output. The next is upper. UPPER, upper. Suppose I type just CBSE and I want it to be printed in uppercase, all in capital C. Or else you can even use U case. UCASE, U case, CBSE. So everything is printed in capital. Now the next is locate or else position. Now if you want to locate something, you want to get the position. See, we'll study with an example. Select locate we have to locate the and then it is a string, so it will be in single inverted comma sky is the limit. It has returned 8. Now what does this 8 mean? Select, locate the. We have to locate the in this string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It is at the 8th position over here. The is at the 8th position. So it will return 8. This is the locate command. Or else you can also use position. Position also is similar to locate. Position, select position the in. Position of the in this string. Sky is the limit. So it will give you the same output. Now next is reverse. REVERSE. Select reverse CBSE. So what will be the reverse of CBSE? It will be ESBC. Let's see the output. Yes, it is ESBC. If you type a whole string, now suppose I will write it as MBBI CBSE. So what will be the output? First, it will be ESBC, then IBBM. The whole string will be reversed. The next function is substring. Now, what do you mean by substring? Let's see it with an example. Select substring, rstring and suppose comma, I'll add the string VEVJI, MBBI CBSE WaveG, then I'll give 5 comma suppose 3. B and C and B is written. Now what does this mean? Select substring. I have given the string and then comma 5 comma 3. That means at the 5th position 3 characters will be displayed. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th is space, and then that is why space B and C and B is displayed. Now suppose if I write it as at the 6th place and 4 characters should be displayed. Select substring MBBI CBSE WaveG. So the output will be CBSE, that is at the 6th position it is C. From there 4 characters should be displayed, that is CBSE is displayed. This was about substrings. Now we have studied the whole string functions. Thank you everyone.